beginning of summer, you might be experiencing the symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, itching of eyes, itching on throat, coughing, fatigue. After these all are the symptoms of pollen allergy. Pollen allergy is also called a hay fever or a allergic rhinitis. It often happens when your immune system is overreact to pollen. Pollen is a fine powder-like substance from extracts from trees, grasses, weeds during their reproductive cycle. Have a look. 5 homeopathic medicines which are excellent for pollen allergies. First, Allium cepa for sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes. Second, Sabatelia for itching in nose and throat. Third, Euphrasia for watery burning eyes sensitive to light. Fourth, Netramure, headache from sinus pressure, watery discharge. Fifth, Arsenicum album, cold sensitive, burning nasals, restlessness. Save and share who need this and follow for more natural healing tips.